Talk to the animals this summer with Dr. Dolittle when the classic movie musical comes to life on stage at the Coterie.
I could become the greatest animal doctor in the entire world.
Eccentric county physician John Dolittle has learned to talk to animals, making him the best animal doctor there is, and complicating his life enormously.
That's absolutely true.
With a cheetah. What a neat achievement it would be.
Believe you me.
Even leading to trouble with the authorities. Accompanied by his mentor Polynesia, a 200-year-old parrot, his dog, Jip, a chimpanzee named Chi-Chi, as well as a trusty band of human friends, the doctor sets out to find the legendary great pink sea snail and change the way animals are understood and treated in the world. Don't miss the Theater for Young Audiences premiere of Dr. Dolittle at the Coterie.